Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video, I am going to tell you about how to fix mobile data problem in your Samsung smartphone. So let's start the video. If you are saying that mobile internet connection is not working, sometimes crashing, or is there any issue, you have to first open your flight mode for 10 to 12 seconds. It will refresh your internet connection, and by doing that you have to turn it off so mobile net will be enabled. Then friends, you have to go to the settings, click on search, right here reset, and here you can see reset. Tap on reset, so there will be a reset mobile network settings. Click on this, enable the passcode, then again set, and network settings has been reset successfully. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.